Hi guys, hope you're doing good. This is Janani. Today I'm going to make an Indian dessert. It's nothing but rice dumpling. We call it as Kolkatai or Modak. It's very famous during festival time. We make this dessert and offer it to God. Let's see how to make this beautiful dessert. Take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. When the ghee is hot enough, add 1 cup of shredded coconut. You can use frozen, fresh or desiccated coconut. Toast the coconut in ghee for few minutes. You will get a nice toasted aroma. After toasting, add 3/4 cup of jaggery or brown sugar. You can increase or decrease the sweetness according to your preference. Sugar melts down after adding. Mix everything and fry it until all the water from the sugar evaporates. Add 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt. Mix everything and fry for few minutes. After coconut and sugar has combined well, we can take this out. Transfer it to a bowl. Set it aside until it is cool. Now take a pan, add 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon ghee, half a teaspoon salt. Wait for the water to boil. When the water is hot and the bubble comes out, you can add 1 cup of rice flour. Add the rice flour, switch off the stove, mix rice and water. You should get a crumbly mixture. Close it and rest it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer it to another bowl. When the mixture is warm and the heat is bearable, you can start making a dough using hand. Add 1 tablespoon of water at a time and start making a soft dough out of it. The dough should not be hard, it should be very soft. The dough is ready. Now set it aside and take the egg mold. Add 1 to 2 drops of ghee in each portion. Spread the ghee evenly in the mold. Now take a big portion from the dough. Place it inside the mold. Press the dough against the sides and the bottom. Make sure you have enough space inside. Let me show it again. Take a big dough, press it against the sides and bottom. Now leave small amount of dough to close it. Please like, share and subscribe Instamom for more Instant Pot recipes. Take the stuffing. Take a spoonful of stuffing. Make a small ball and press it inside the mold. Fill the stuffings in all the portions. And again take a small amount of dough, make a small disc out of it and close the stuffing. Press it hard enough on the sides so that it blends very well. Now take a trivet, place the egg mold on top of the trivet, close it with a lid or aluminium foil. Now take an Instant Pot, add 1 cup of water, place the trivet inside the Instant Pot, close the Instant Pot, select the pressure cook mode, set the timer to 5 minutes, pressure to high and click on start. When it's done, wait for 10 minutes, release the pressure and then open the Instant Pot. Let's see how our rice dumpling has turned out. Take a plate, place it on the mold and then flip it upside down. Now tap the top portion of the mold with the finger. and then take the mold out. That's it. Our super delicious Kolakatai is ready. This is so easy to make and such a time saver recipe too. Can you see? It's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. Please like, share and subscribe InstaMom for more Instant Pot recipes. Stay tuned, stay happy. Bye guys.